Hi, in this video I am going to explain as a teacher how you mark attendance for a student for your class, how you can send notifications to parent in case the child is absent or late, and how you can print fire register in case of any fire drill or fire emergencies. So to start with, when you log in as a teacher, you can click on a menu and go to an attendance tab. In attendance tab, you can find out link called student attendance. When you click on it, by default, it gives you the classes which you are teaching. So as this particular teacher is assigned to grade 4 and 6 and these sections. So I'm taking an example of grade 4A. Now I'm going to consider attendance for 21st because today is holiday and it won't allow me to mark attendance on holiday. So when I do that, I have selected for 21st. Here you can see there are 27 students, and currently there is no statistics on total present, absent, late, or other codes. So it is very easy to mark attendance by using this different attendance code. By default, attendance is marked as unmarked for all the students, and you can see here it shows student photo, name, bus number, roll number, and the student enrollment number. So it's very easy. Teacher can click on mark all present and then click on if the child is going to be an absent. In case the child is late, they can click that particular code and click on that. Now, in case the teacher wants to give the reason why child is late, they can right click on this and write the comment here, or they can select from a drop down as well. So for example, I am writing a comment here. This can be also written in high. So you can see that, and you can save. Now once this is done, you can click on submit. Successfully. Now if you click again on search here for that particular day, to send now a notification to the parent of these two students and this as he is late, so I can navigate back to attendance and go to absent student notification. So I can select here my grade and section. The date was 21st, and here I have option absent or late. So I click on it, it shows me two students who were absent, so I can click on it and say send notification, submit, and this will go to that particular parent. Also in case of late, I can do the same. Let me select the correct date, which was 21st, and sorry for the grade and section, and it shows me. Now you will be also able to edit this particular draft. So as this is by default coming from system, we can also set up this draft in Thai. So I select it and say submit. You can see by default email ID of the parent. If you want this to go to a different email ID, you will be able to type it here in different email ID. So if I submit, I have to select whether it will go as an alert and show. Now once this is done, now if I go for that particular parent's login ID, so for example, now let me see which is the parent. So that's 4629. So if I go to parent login, this is the parent login. Let me log out. P4629. Of attendance that child is absent. So if I double click on it, it will show me the detail of the notification, and this is the notification which shows. Now this shows currently unread. Now as a parent, if I click on it, it shows as read. Now if I log in as an admin and go to a link called alert transaction for 21st, it shows me the notification here. Not, it shows unread. So this is very important feature. Let me come back to a teacher's login. So let me go back to attendance. So we have shown how to mark attendance and how to send notifications. Now let's see how do we take out a fire register. So if I click on fire register detail, and I wanted to take the fire register for year 4, section A, and for 21st review, and it gives me the detail of the student who is present, who is absent. If I click on print, it will print me that particular sheet, and it also shows out of school remark here. This is really helpful. I will be able to print it directly from here. Download it from here as PDF or Excel or CSV or Word file, or I can print it directly from here, or I do have option to send an email to a particular link. Also, as a teacher, I have reports available here to view in attendance. One is attendance view teacher and another is absent student report. So in attendance view teacher, I'll be able to select the class which I am teaching and view. Let's say I want to get a week view, and if I preview, so let's say week starts from 21st. So I'll get that options here. So I can see there's only one teacher who is marked as an absent for this particular class. Yara. And you can see these are the students absent, present, and the detail of the student name. Whoever is absent is showing as red. And the summary, like how many total days and how many days the child is present. UM stands for unmarked. You can see the code details here. Thank you for watching.